All of us are finally here. Victor is back from Russia. I'm gonna cook salmon, and then we're gonna make hot sauce. We got ghost pepper. It's gonna be delicious and quick. Hey, look at this. You wanna eat the sashimi? You wanna eat it raw?
Who doesn't?
Today I'm gonna show you how to make a mojito, but it's not a regular mojito, it's a special mojito.
All right, welcome back, guys. All of us are finally here. Victor is back from Russia. I'm gonna cook salmon. It's a very basic recipe, but it is the best. You guys need to try that. I'm gonna marinate it with just basic salt and pepper and the mayonnaise. That's right, mayonnaise. And we're gonna bake it. And then we're gonna make hot sauce. We got ghost pepper, 2 scorpion Trinidad peppers, and we're just gonna, make quick hot sauce, and we're gonna get some chicken wings as well from fillets. All right. Just basic, we'll put some salt. Uh-oh. Some black pepper. I asked the KC for regular mayonnaise. He gave me this Chinese mayo, which is fine.
There's a difference, man.
It's good
Chinese,
for sushi,
It's Japanese.
Japanese?
Asian.
Mayonnaise is actually very good for any food if you want to marinate it.
It's a good tenderizer.
So
It brings out, to me, mayonnaise brings out that umami flavor.
by doing this, so what's gonna happen is not only we're gonna slightly marinate the fish, but it also, when we bake it, it's not gonna get dry. It's gonna stay moist. And it's gonna
tenderized.
be absolutely delicious. I mean, and I've been cooking salmon this way for a very long time, and everybody who tried it, they loved it. So
it's going to be good.
And in the meantime, the Victor is gonna make us some drinks. He brought some mint and
Bacardi.
I want to see what's gonna come out.
Some liqueur.
Yeah, and then you're gonna make chicken later. So there's a lot of stuff going on today.
Something
guys.
good to start us off a good, healthy, positive day. New good times.
Yeah, and I'm hungry. Look at this. You want to eat the sashimi? You want to eat it raw?
Who doesn't? Who doesn't?
The salmon is ready. We're gonna leave it here for 20 minutes. Marinate a little bit, and then we're gonna bake it. And in the meantime, Vic is gonna make some drinks.
Today I'm gonna show you how to make a mojito, but it's not a regular mojito, it's a special mojito. So we have a mint right here, and what are we gonna do? We're gonna add some sugar. Canada Dry ginger ale. I know it's
It's refreshing. I don't even taste liquor.
Very nice, I like. I love it, man. Appreciate it, thanks. A little something different today. A little appetizer, I think. All right.
Okay, so I'm gonna make hot sauce. So we got some hybrid Trinidad peppers and ghost pepper. So we're gonna make a small batch for today. Ooh. Oh. We're gonna add some tomato in there. Not a lot. Tomato, maybe a little more, just a little more. Pepper, a little bit. A little bit salt. Orange juice. Huh? Yeah, of course, some vinegar. And I'm gonna add garlic, but I don't want to add it right now. We'll add it later, so I still want to have, like, you know, little chunks of garlic in there. I don't want to completely blend it. Okay. Good. And now we're gonna add garlic and just a couple taps. That would do it.
Very nice.
It's really liquidy. Give me one carrot. Oh. Woo! Oh, I'm gonna add carrot in there because I think this is gonna be really spicy. Carrot will like smooth everything out. We'll see.
I want to taste.
There's no garlic.
We're gonna add some garlic.
Yep.
Cheers, guys, and Happy New Year.
Salmon is ready.
Take this off for the ladies. They like the sexy thing.
All right, food is ready. So as always, we're gonna just try, you know, chicken and salmon without the sauce, right? See how it tastes. So this is gonna be a little difficult since the skin stuck to the foil.
Yeah.
So what
Did you put some oil on it before?
No, I didn't, because we don't want the skin anyway. So you see, it stays there. But yeah, chicken looks good.
Yeah.
Salmon looks good. Hot sauce looks good.
You got hot sauce, yeah. It's a good enhancer.
All right. Well. So let's try, I want you to try the salmon.
Yeah,
so let me know what you think.
Try the salmon.
Yeah, let's try the salmon.
Can't go wrong with salmon, man.
What the flavor, man, it's just so good.
It's like a butterfish.
Don't need anything else. The mayo, salt, pepper, mayo.
Mayo,
That's it.
pepper really cancels out that fishy flavor.
Yeah, and it keeps the, see how moist it is?
Moist, tender.
Yeah. It's delicious. Whew. Okay, well, we'll try a chicken
Yeah, let's do the chicken.
without the sauce. That was good.
You gotta make some noise when you're eating. There's some people out there that have some fetish with the noise.
Ready for the hot sauce? It is a little runny, but you know, this is the new version with orange juice.
All right, I'm gonna try the hot sauce by itself. Homemade hot sauce made by my man Roman.
It's spicy.
Spicy, tangy. I love how you added the garlic.
But you see how like I didn't want to like completely blend the garlic, so there's a bunch like chunks in there, and this is what I like to see.
I love chunks too, man. Like when you see a sauce, you want to see some definition. You know, you want to see some chunks, you want to see some oil, you want to see some this and that.
Yeah, I'm trying to put like more. It's a little runny, you know. But
you know, the chicken is good, but sauce is best enhancer for any food.
okay, it's kicking in now. Maybe like what, like 4 out of 10?
Spice level?
Yeah. Not maybe 3.5.
Yeah. I was thinking about maybe around 2. 1 or 2. How many peppers you add in there?
I had 2 Trinidad peppers and 1 ghost.
So speaking about hot sauce, we are going to be doing a collaboration with a friend of ours. She has a pepper farm in Orange County. I think it's Huntington Beach or Costa Mesa, somewhere around there. But she has a big farm with a bunch of peppers and all that. So she said she's going to be joining us in an episode. Her specialty is like salsa sauce, so I think we should probably have her throw down some salsa sauce. We'll make some tacos.
Yeah,
and I think it's a good different angle because from a pepper maker, they have all these experience in making peppers, growing peppers. So they've been tasting it for a while, so they know the different flavors, which is best and good for making hot sauce. Give us some knowledge on how to make hot sauce.
Dude, try this sauce with the salmon.
I'm gonna try with the salmon.
It's so good. It like complements each other.
I have to say, man, salmon is good by itself. How you put mayonnaise on it.
It's so good.
Oh man, it takes it to another level. Makes it complete. You know, to me, any food you eat with our hot sauce is incomplete. You throw some hot sauce in there, it's done.
I know.
Perfection.
Pretty good day. I mean, we had an amazing drink Victor made for us. Chicken's good. The sauce is delicious. The salmon is. I mean, dude, I wasn't worried. Like I know this is the way I cook it all the time. Very simple, easy. The best flavor. Like you
cooked perfectly. It's not dry. You know what I mean? Like when you cook fish, you gotta be careful if it's too dry.
That's the secret of
salmon.
Mayo, dude.
Mayo, yeah.
Yeah, you put the mayo. It keeps all the moisture inside. It doesn't get dry, and also marinates with it, and it's just delicious, man.
Very tasty.
You guys need to try this. I mean, it's so simple. I mean, why wouldn't you try it? Go ahead and try it. Leave a comment below afterwards. We're gonna have a little challenge game after this, right? We're gonna play some a mini pool, billiards, and whoever loses take a shot of a bomb. The bomb.
Ooh, that's gonna be scary.
The bomb, yes. But yeah, we're gonna move on to that after we finish all this food.
I love playing pool billiards, and I'm gonna whoop their butt.
Oh man,
I'm not bribing.
See, me or Victor is doing the
I'm not bribing here. You know, it's a cheap pool table, but you know, naturally I just love the game of pool, and I got the angle down. You know what I mean?
We'll see about that. Well, thank you for staying with us, and we'll see you on the next one. And Happy New Year, and let this new year bring nothing but the best.
Cheers. Stay tuned, subscribe.